Dean Foster with CenterCam, and we're going to talk about using the big clip. That's what we call this. There are certain use scenarios where our standard clip doesn't work for people. Older monitors that are thicker. There are certain beveled monitors that have a slant on the back that are compression clip or positive tension clip or even passive tension clip, just doesn't grip onto. This is 2 inches, so monitors that are over 2 inches, the standard clip isn't gonna work. So let me show you how the big clip works, and we'll just keep that standard clip on there. So the big clip operates just like a standard traditional webcam clip, except it has these little grooves in it. We call those U hooks as opposed to C hooks. That's what we started out with. We went to U hooks, they're a little bit better. Anyway, you clip that in. Well, it's the same thing as the standard CenterCam clip. I'm gonna decide how much of CenterCam flex tube I'm gonna put in the screen for me. Right now I'm basically in a one-on-one video conference, so I'm gonna look at upper third, right about there. So I'm gonna clip it in right about there. And then, so it doesn't wiggle around, I'm gonna clip it into that back clip as well. And I kind of adjusted it a little bit off. Okay, there we go. And then the way it works on the side is, it has a little adjustment clip, but it's back weighted, so it keeps the flex tube, and there's actually back weight to the clip, so that's how it keeps it in place. If you want to get a little more technical, you can do that. And then it's also a passive tension clip, so you can actually squeeze it into place, and it has a slight amount of tension once you actually squeeze it into place. So I do that. And then I didn't actually put the lock ring tight, so I'm going to tighten the lock ring so I can finalize my focusing issue, which I was dealing with in the last tutorial. There we go. And that is the CenterCam big clip.